Belle of Louisville's old engines are getting a makeover.
WDRB's Bill Francis explains this comes as the Belle celebrates 100 years on the river.
The Belle of Louisville spent the harsh winter safely docked at the 4th Street Wharf. Later this year, a big celebration is planned to mark its 100th birthday.
Thanks to a locally owned company, the Belle will celebrate its centennial with rebuilt engines that will keep this old paddle wheel turning for many years to come.
We are doing a complete rebuild of these old steam engines out of the Belle of Louisville for the first time ever. Apparently, this is the first time these engines have been completely rebuilt, and they're well over 100 years old.
The engine's even older than the Belle itself, since they came from another boat. Family-owned Atlas Machine and Supply Company donated time and parts for the project, which posed some special challenges.
The biggest difficulty is there isn't anything else like it. It's the only part you have, so you have to be very careful, like on the engines, the steam valve, how to get it apart. So if you break it, then you're faced with having to make a new one if you break it. So you've got to be very careful with it.
Atlas, a company itself more than 100 years old, says the project was a little more expensive than originally estimated.
But we got into this thing and saw how much need there was, and it's a fun job, and maybe we had a little too much fun with it because the total value is going to be well in excess of $50,000, but we're having a ball with it. We just love it.
Atlas brought out of retirement one of its senior engineers to work on the 2-month project. The successful Louisville company, now in its 4th generation, rebuilds and repairs giant machines for heavy industry. Atlas helping the Belle to keep rolling on the river.
I'm not sure you'll be able to water ski behind the Belle when we get done, but those engines are going to be a whole lot more efficient. There's going to be a whole lot more power going to that paddle wheel than there ever was before.
In Louisville, Bill Francis, WDRB News.